Thank you for tuning in to your Thursday evening weathercast, and temperatures have fallen about a good 20 degrees from what we were seeing back on Wednesday. Only right now in those upper 30s to low 40s. 37 from Rogers City to Atlanta, 39 in Alpena. Still hanging on to those low 40s in Tawas at 44 degrees, 43 in Skoda. Those winds today, though, not out of the south anymore, more out of the west and more out of the north. Specifically out of the northwest in Atlanta at 5 miles per hour, 7 in Alpena, 8 in Skoda. And there is already a winter weather advisory in effect for Montmorency and Presqu'île counties. It starts at 11 o'clock tonight and it goes all the way till noon on Friday. Under the advisory, we could see ice accumulations up to 1/4 of an inch and snow accumulations up to 3 inches. So it is going to be a rough night, especially after midnight for a good portion of northeast Michigan. Further towards the south, when it comes to accumulations, there will be a lot less, about 1/10 of an inch in ice or about 1 to 2 inches of snow. But just make sure to slow down traveling, especially tomorrow morning. Now, seeing where it is right now, the rain is already pushing its way, getting ready to enter southwest lower Michigan, but the clouds already building ahead of it. The snow is situated in parts of Wisconsin and into Minnesota. It's getting ready to hit parts of the UP at any moment, and the weather will pretty much go downhill all throughout your Friday. And here's a closer look of how exactly we'll time out as we go from Friday into your Saturday. Now for Friday, we're going to eventually start off with snow early on, eventually freezing rain throughout the morning hours, and then by the afternoon, it'll be completely in the form of rain. By Saturday, we'll deal with the low pressure crossing over. We'll have some winds picking up Friday night. And then by Saturday, as the cold front pushes through, Arctic air will begin to settle in from the northwest. And that's really going to start the change over from rain to snow sometime Saturday morning. And by Saturday afternoon, it's completely snow. By Saturday night, it begins to taper off. On Sunday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies, but we could still have a couple of snow showers associated with the lake effect coming in, and also just another quick moving clipper. So it's going to be overall just a really messy weekend, but if you are going to take care of any errands, you may want to hold off until Sunday. That might be the better of the next 3 days. Now for tonight, we're going to have cloudy skies before midnight. Temperatures are going to be in those upper 30s to mid 30s, eventually falling towards the freezing mark after midnight, first with snow, eventually freezing rain by sunrise. And you might want to give yourself some extra time. And then throughout your morning hours of your Friday, we'll eventually begin to see the switch over to rain. And it's going to continue as rain through Friday night. And then by Saturday morning, then we'll see the switch over once again back to snow. As you can see, temperatures are not going to move too much on Saturday because of the cold front. And then by Sunday morning, you just got to make sure to bundle up. We're only going to be in the teens as you wake up with some snow flurries associated with a quick moving clipper, but also the lake effect. And it kind of just stays a little bit unsettled, even going into the middle of next week, where the timing still has to be determined.